If you're an educator, a trainer, or a coach, you've probably felt this. You've built something genuinely valuable. Your programs get results. Your clients or students walk away transformed. But when it comes to marketing, it feels like you're speaking a language that wasn't designed for you. That's exactly why we built Market My Training Solutions. For years, we watched education professionals get handed marketing strategies built for e commerce brands or tech startups and wonder why nothing was working. The truth is, education is different. The trust cycle is longer. Credibility matters more. And the way your buyers make decisions doesn't look like anyone else's. We built this agency to serve one industry and one industry only: education. That focus means when we sit down with you, we're not learning your world on your budget. We already understand it. We're not a vendor, we're the team that sits alongside you and builds marketing that actually reflects the quality of what you teach. If you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, let's talk.